Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu. We're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at?
Well, Paul, let's take a look at Nvidia this morning. Green in the screen, as you say, those shares among that. And ticker NVDA shares up more than 3.6% at the moment. It was actually in the news today because Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent was on Fox Business earlier this morning, and he was asked whether there were ever discussions of the U.S. government taking a stake in Nvidia. And he said that he was not part of any such talks. He did say Nvidia is the most valuable company in the world with, quote, incredible management. So seems like a little bit of the increase in stocks this morning, maybe a little bit speculative, but there you go. It's still enjoying some of those gains. It also did get a price target raise at Mizuho from 225 or to 225 from 205 previously. So that implies a 23% increase from its last price.
And let's stay with the chip maker theme, but move on to one that's kind of missed out on the AI boom, and that's in Intel.
Yeah, absolutely, Scarlett. So Intel shares, ticker INTC, those aren't doing too badly, actually. They're up 2.3% at the moment. But Bank of America analysts are sounding the warning. They downgraded a stock to outperform from neutral, saying that it has gone, quote, too far too fast, and that the company has really yet to lay out a discernible AI strategy, according to the strategists. They also say that they fundamentally disagree, strong words there, with the valuation of the company, relying on the sum of parts applied to Intel's product and foundry arms. They think that it really should be related to the company as a whole rather than some of its parts. And they're also looking at a price target of $34 from $36.37 close on Friday. So that implies a 6.5% drop.
One more here. I'm guessing it's tech as well.
Tech as well. Let's round it up with AMD, ticker AMD. And those shares also in the green, up more than 3.3% at the moment. And so it did get a couple of positive analyst actions. It was raised to outperform from neutral at KGI Securities, pricing the target at 260, which implies a 21% increase from the last price. It was also raised in terms of price target at Mizuho, now looking at 275 from 205. And that is a 28% increase from its last price. And, you know, AMD is still riding a high from last week's deal with OpenAI.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.